We have the Colgate Colgate 250R with us in the clinic. Bought it a couple of weeks back and this is my review on it. The 250R is Colgate's mid-range electric toothbrush. It comes in 3 different versions depending on the brush head design. You have the charcoal one, which has charcoal bristles and is black in color. You have the whitening one, which has whitening properties and has a red body. And the third one is the deep clean one, which I bought and has a completely white body. I love the white and red branding of this box. You can feel the raised cutouts of the toothbrush and the icons here, and that just makes it a little more premium in my opinion. On the sides you have the description of the brush head, its features and so on. Open the box and we find a simple, straightforward packaging inside. We have the manual here, and thankfully this time it's in English language too. Unlike last time, there's a 2-pin adapter in the box to charge the toothbrush, and finally here's the 250R. The thing that surprised me was how light this toothbrush is. Easy on the hands and I quite enjoyed using it. Behind we have a nice tongue cleaner. Always good to have one. The brush head is small and has a unique bristle arrangement. The bristles are soft too. The 250R comes with a matte finish for its body and shiny finish for the middle and the bristle head. So scratches won't be easily seen on the body, but the white color might become a little yellow. We'll see how that goes. In the middle we have a red strip which houses a single power button, and when you press the button you can see a light which acts like a battery and a charger indicator. The button needs to be pushed firmly in order to get feedback from it. Down below we have the Colgate branding, and at the bottom we have the port for wireless charging the toothbrush. I honestly like the design of the toothbrush, clean, minimal and very aesthetic. The brush produces 30,000 sonic vibrations per minute, which is great. It has standard features like a 2-minute auto shut timer and a 30-second interval timer, and it has just one mode, so nothing fancy going over there. I couldn't find an official IP rating, but that has not been an issue for me as I have tested the toothbrush under running water without any issues. Colgate claims 10-day battery life, and in my testing I saw it last 11 days, which is not great. You get a 2-pin wireless charger to charge it, and it took me around 10 hours to completely charge the toothbrush from zero, which isn't great either. And finally, when it comes to its cleaning performance, this is where the toothbrush shines. Although the sensation was a little strong on my teeth, it did clean very well. This toothbrush has a lot going for it. It has a nice design, all the standard features are there and they work, and has a very nice cleaning performance. And honestly, I prefer having a single mode rather than having multiple modes which you don't end up using after a point. But that's also a negative of this toothbrush, as almost all toothbrushes in this price range have multiple modes which people look out for when they're buying a toothbrush in this price range. Sadly, there's just one brush head in the box. Battery life is disappointing, and I would have been okay if there would have been a USB-A port over here instead of the 2-pin charger. Also an extra brush head or a protective cap would have been great. I bought this for ₹1655 during a just concluded Amazon sale. And if you're getting this at around that price, then sure, go ahead. It's a good toothbrush which does what it's supposed to. And that's about it from me in this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, happy brushing.